Hi everybody, it's Max. Welcome back to another episode of The Art of the Craft. I have one of my good friends, Thomas, here from France. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so today we're going to be doing French crepe.
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 Almost there. Crepe.
Let's get cooking. Thomas, tell me a little bit about crepe.
Crepe.
That.
Okay, so what you need to know about crepe is that there are actually two types of crepe. What you think about with crepe, and the word crepe, is usually going to be the sweet crepe.
That's right. That's what I think of as like Nutella or strawberry preserves or something like that.
Exactly. There's another kind of crepe, and galette is the savory kind. What you're going to have with galette in terms of flour is not 100% all-purpose. It is a combination of buckwheat flour with all-purpose flour. So you can have for a meal the galette as a starter, the savory one, and then you transition to the sweet one.
So I can have crepe on crepe.
You can have crepe on crepe on crepe.
And I understand the flour part, but where does buckwheat come from?
Yeah, so buckwheat is actually coming from a region in France called Brittany. It's in the west of France on the Atlantic coast.
The buckwheats are native or indigenous to Brittany. Is that where the crepe originated?
Yes, exactly. That's
okay.
where crepe are from.
What is Brittany known for then?
A region to visit and to wine and dine. Yeah.
You had me at wine.
So what we're doing today is what's called a galette complète. It is the most traditional kind of savory crepe that you will find in France. And it is a combination of cheese, ham, and egg.
So it's American breakfast.
Yeah, almost.
And yeah, I guess I just picked out some fresh parsley. I thought that'd be nice for a little bit of garnish, but that's completely optional, right?
Yeah. You can add anything to your heart's delight in a crepe. You can have it fully vegetarian. You can add fish.
This is the basic. This is the
most
OG,
traditional,
right? When I go to France, no one's not going to have a crepe complete. There is some special tools, but they're optional, right? Okay, so what have we got right here?
So what we have here is a griddle and a dowel, but you don't necessarily need these tools to make an excellent crepe. What you can do a crepe with is non-stick pan. What you don't want to do is to make it as thick as a pancake.
Okay, but now we're talking about the batter. So Thomas, tell me what is special about the batter? How do we get to this point?
Yeah, so it's a very simple batter. You've got your dry and your wets. On the dry side, you've got the buckwheat flour, the all-purpose flour, and the kosher salt. And on the wet side, you've got an egg, whole milk, and water.
That's easy. So there's nothing special about it. It's more the ratios that you're using, right?
Exactly.
All right. And if you know anything about me, I am not a baker. I think it's more of like a chemistry experiment than anything else, and I am not good at that. This is what I would consider a high hydration dough, a very loose batter. Let's get cooking. Apply a quarter cup of batter on a hot griddle. How was that? It's not the prettiest, but it's going to taste good. Gently flip the crepe over. Stupid crepe. Then ignore everything I've said and just use a Teflon pan. Add egg and French ham. Then add Gruyere cheese and fold the sides inward. Thomas, thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing your culture, your food with us. This has just been a treat.
Well, it was great to experience this with you, and now let's dig in.
Let's dig in.
Yeah.
Catch you next time.
What you guys doing?
Hi, TV.
They have excellent butter there too.
Okay.
Yeah, and there is the sweet one that actually everyone knows about, and that is 100% all-purpose flour.
That's what I get at Denny's when I go there, and they have that, right?
Yeah, maybe not Betty's, but kind of, sort of. So we're doing a special kind of crepe, and this time.
Yep.